All right. I'm having a little bit of trouble with my tractor right now. So what we're gonna do is see if we can fix it. 'Cause that's what we do. Hopefully it's just a battery issue and not starter issue because, well, honestly I think starter's cheaper than batteries right now. At least the one I saw on Amazon is. Give me a sec. Let me grab the other side. Take care of the negatives. Deal with getting the positives off. But we're going to try. I may only be able to do one right now. Natural heat would be the one. Okay. Now that that's disconnected, actually, we're going to attempt should have had this prepped beforehand. You're getting the raw footage. Oh, you aggravating, yeah. They don't make stuff like they used to anymore. You used to have to get a pair of pliers and darn near get a torch to get that thing off. Can't be stuck if it's a liquid. Alright. See what we got here. The cover. Oh! Ain't that the cutest thing you ever did want to see? Don't tell me I gotta. You mean I got to You ridiculous thing. Okay, you coming with me because I ain't walking back and forth. Except to grab the battery. Alright. Hopefully. I got something good there. We need to find this screwdriver. A screwdriver equivalent. An actual screwdriver. Will you fit? No, you do not fit. Oh, look, you fit. Go figure. Who would have guessed? Surely not me. The hell kind of fuse is that? Alright. Hey! We got contact. Alright. I know. Who cares? Somebody tells me not to repine. That somebody is Jesus, and I know he's mine. I wonder what repine means. I wonder. Well, I guess you're in there good enough. Good enough for me. Okay, back to the tractor. Hopefully. Take care of the rest of this. Not to repine. That somebody is Jesus, and I know he's mine. Alright. See what we got. Kid village. We're going to look at voltage. Bruh. Stuff is so darn cheap. Remember, do not litter. It is not good to litter. Okay. Common. Max 600 volts. Unfused 10 amp max. Well, we're at 1,000 amps, so, well, in theory. Let's see what we've got for voltage. Negative, positive. That's not right. Try that one and that one. $22? No. You're a 12-volt battery. How can you have 22? 12 volts. But you ain't right. Wait a minute. There we go, 10 volts. So you're shy. Let me do like every electrician ever. Set it off to the side. Now we're gonna have to, doubt I'll ever use that. Now, I'm gonna come in here from the other side and attempt to pull that cable and put that other cable on and see if it's long enough. I'm going to bring the sockets because I'm sure I will not have the right one. There. Okay. Yep, definitely not the right one. Okay. Right over there, Mr. Spiderweb. I'm not a very big fan of spiderwebs. Just so as y'all know. Okay. And the mosquitoes is terrible. Sorry, are. Terrible. Pull that off. Pull these two off. Pull that off. And that. Under here. how lucky am I for that? Wow, this is terrible. I may have to run to the house real quick. Oh, I'm supposed to call my wife and tell her it's time to get up. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's right there. It's just right there. Well, battery, you're supposed to be a little further forward anyway. Bruh. That's perfect. Okay, so 24 inches on battery cable for this is just, you want to get the longer one if you can. However, I done bought these and I ain't going back to Tractor Supply today. Sure enough, I'm right now. Okay. Let's see. And then this one's gonna go on there. Just drop down through there, just like that. And be way longer than what I need. Which is perfect. Because I say this. Okay. And you go on there. Like so. And you go on there. Washer. And then a nut for everything else. Alright, there we go. Now, okay. You're on there good. You're not going anywhere. Done up top. Which is nice because these darn insects are eating me up. Okay, you're gonna have to trust me on this. I'm just taking, I'm trying to just taking the battery off. And of course you did that. Why wouldn't you? Ah. And over. There. That cable out the way. Remember, kids, do not be on your battery posts, terminals, because it's not good for them. Are you tight? Yeah, you're tight. Okay. We're going to double check our voltage on that side too. Really quickly, after I connect my positive on this side up to you, which is, please tell me you're getting that. Nope, you're not getting that at all. That's an even worse angle. Can I drop the camera? I can't. Okay. I can kind of sort of see. Yeah, right there. Okay. Y'all can see me be. And then we had the bright idea. How about we try the other battery and see if it'll be enough to start it. See if that battery will charge. The other battery. And I know, I'm right up in the way. Hang right there, like this. Actually, it looks like the same battery. I think it is the same battery. It's funny. He had good taste in batteries. Fell in it on just before me. Oh yeah. All right. But we got to do something a little bit different. Put this on because my starter switch, I was very smart and connected it directly to the battery. So we're going to have to fit it over that. You. I don't think you're coming off. You're not coming out. You're not going anywhere. Just connect the negative to you. All right, now, see if we got a starter. Yep, it's the battery, and I need two. Well, I mean, that's not terrible. That's not the worst thing that could have happened. And I'm actually going to take that, put that battery on charge overnight and double check. But yeah, that battery right there. That one. All right. Y'all have a good day now.